Hello everyone, I'm Randy with Detail Authority, the owner here. Today we have a 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. This color is a beautiful Verde Ithaca green. The customer brought the vehicle in for us to finish wrapping the vehicle with paint protection film. When the customer originally purchased the vehicle, paint protection film was installed on the front portion of the vehicle. Since then, the customer has accumulated a few rock chips, recently had some paint work done on the passenger side over here, and because the film is held up on the front of the vehicle very well over the years, he has chosen to have us go ahead and finish wrapping the rest of the entire vehicle. So here on the fender, this was originally wrapped when the car was new back in 2012. Back then the technology did not allow them to wrap the edges between the film elasticity as well as the technology to extend or modify the patterns. Today that technology has changed in both the film as well as the ability for us to modify patterns. When we wrap a car or any kind of panels, we wrap all of the appropriate edges. So when we get finished, you will not have these lines that will be collecting dust or dirt. You will not have the wax in the edge of the film, and you're not going to have the inconsistent lines as what was previously an acceptable install. When this was installed, there was a large gap between the seams. Also, the film years ago used to have a lot more adhesive. Now the films have less adhesive and more of the top coats. What that means to you or to the consumers is that you are going to get less dirt and debris collected in the adhesive. Over here you can see where the dirt is collecting from the adhesive, trapping the dirt on the edge of the film. With the newer technology films, this is less evident. So we're going to start at the door here, at the front side of the door, and we will be wrapping all the way back. All of the appropriate edges will be wrapped on the front side of the door, the bottom of the door, and the back side of the door. The rocker panel, which is the area that was just recently repainted, will also have film on this entire section through here. All of the edges will be wrapped on the front side, protecting it from rock chips. Down inside of the door jamb here will be wrapped as well, all the way back, wrapping the film over the lip to protect these high exposed areas here from future rock chips and more damage. On the back side, the film will also be wrapped inside the wheel lip here to protect anything from coming from the tire and hitting the edge of the wheel lip here. Okay, so now that we've completed the application process, let's take a look at the final product. As we discussed earlier, some areas on the film, the edges are not wrapped, the edges are inconsistent, they're not even. The areas that we've installed, we wrap the edges. So as you can see, there's no difference between the covered and the uncovered areas because the edges are wrapped. So if you were to walk up to the vehicle, you would not be able to tell that this has film on it. Where this area that was originally done, you can definitely see the edge of the film. So the door is covered. We've covered the rocker panel, the entire piece all the way down. We've also protected inside of the rocker panel area here as well. The rear quarter panel has been wrapped, and again, wrapping all of the edges inside of here to protect the car as well as provide a seamless look. The roof has been wrapped, wrapping the edges on the front side to protect it from stone chips and other flying debris. Wrapping inside of the edges here inside of the door jambs. The hatch has been completely wrapped. The rear bumper has been wrapped, taking the film to the edge of the light and then wrapping on the inside of the wheel lip. The rear bumper has been wrapped with cutouts, factory cutouts for the parking sensors. And all of the other back hatch area here has been wrapped. Typically removing badges is standard for Detail Authority. Typically we would remove the badge, apply the film, and then put the badge over top of it, but the customer chose not to, and that is always the customer's choice. So now the entire vehicle is protected and covered. Every bit of green paint that you see on this vehicle has paint protection film on it, and will protect it for many, many years to come. Thank you for taking the time to understand our products and services here at Detail Authority. Remember, you don't have to own a Verde Ithaca green Lamborghini for us to work on your vehicle. We work on all makes and models. For more information or your free quote, please give us a call at 703-978-7800, or you can find us on the web at detailauthority.com.